Howdy do, Ranger, Ranger Ruse. We're going to go ahead and draw this shape and then get it dimensioned on a drawing for you. So sit back, relax, and hop on the train to the Learning Express, because you're about to take it to Knowledge Town. Okay, let's go ahead and minimize that. Start with a new part. Create a 2D sketch. Choose everything as normal, and I am going to start this as a rectangle. It is 2 inches by 1.5 inch. Okay, so we got that right there. I'm going to finish this out and extrude it to 1 inch. Now comes the fun part. I'm going to create a 2D sketch right here, and the first thing that I'm going to do is put in a point right about there. Now I will dimension this point so that it is 1.5 inches away from that edge. 1.5. Now the reason that I do that is it's going to help me a lot put in my next line. Now line, click on that point, and I'm going to go on there. Now instead of entering a dimension, I'm going to enter an angle, which is 0.56. So hit the tab key, or excuse me, which is 56. I'm going to hit 56 degrees right there and hit enter. Now what that's done is draw a 56-degree line right there. Finish the sketch, click on extrude, and I'm going to cut this right there so it goes right on across. And that is a nice thing. Now next, create a 2D sketch, and I'm going to do the same thing with a line, or excuse me, start with a point, pop in a point right there, and I'm going to dimension that point 0.5 inches away from this edge. Do a line from that point on that down, click it onto there, and that is a 63-degree line. So hit tab, 63. So now I have a 63-degree line. You can see it extended over. It's no big deal. I can trim it. Trim it right there. Click Finish Sketch. Now we're going to do some fancy extruding, or cutting as it were. Click Cut. I'm going to change this to 0.5. 0.5. There we go. Choose that. And boom, we now have our finished shape. Save this. I'm going to save it as part 4. And let's go ahead and do our drawing. File New, Drawing. Click on my base, brings it up automatically. And change the scale to 2:1 so I can actually see it. So we've got boom. Now I'm going to go directly up. And this is one of those parts where we only need 2 views in here, because we'll be able to dimension this and get absolutely all of our information from just 2 pieces. So let's go ahead and annotate. I know what you might be saying. This annotates delicious. Yeah. Okay, click there, click there. So we've got a 2-inch overall length. Then we've got top to bottom, which is 1.5. The top, there to there, which is 0.5. Then which is 1.5. Now, let's see, we should be able to do our angles right here, which is 63. And then the same thing, which is, let's get that, there we go, 56. So you've got almost all of our information on that one drawing right there. Then we're going to switch to our top view. And 1 inch total right there. And we've got a 1/2 inch. Okay, so with those, we've got pretty much all the dimensions we need on these drawings. So go ahead, stop this video, rewind and replay as many times as you need in order to get this piece drawn and dimensioned correctly.